So I'll use myself as an example. And so I ran FP&A for about 5 years. I was never an accountant. I don't have an accounting degree. I have a finance degree. I have a master's in business with a focus in finance and management. What that meant was that I had to go and learn some accounting on my own. So do I need to know journal entries? No. Do I need to understand revenue recognition and matching? Yes. So there are certain principles that you need to know. And in certain jobs, you'll need to learn more. You'll need to know more accounting than others, right? There are some things when I'm building a financial model, right? There's a cash flow element and then there's an income statement portion to it. That really matters. When I worked in treasury, the balance sheet really mattered. And so I had to go figure, and we had to work with our accounting team. And so what happens is you kind of get on the job education as you go. If you don't have the accounting background, you have to pick up enough on the way,
Mm,
right? Again, we're not living in a world where the boss needs to know everything that everybody on the team knows. You need to know enough and you need to know who has the expertise. And somebody needs to have accounting expertise. We're never getting away from that. Somebody needs to have the finance expertise. Somebody needs to put it all together and ask the right questions. Asking the right questions is probably more important than having the right answers because it guides you. If all you know is what you know, that's it. If you have a questioning mind and that questioning outlook and that growth view, you will go out and ask questions that lead to very interesting answers. And you'll be able to plug the holes in your own missing skills. And that's great. It's great to not know everything. It's great to need other people and bring in their expertise and things that you haven't had. That's also one of the big differences, I think, between accounting and between FP&A. On the accounting side, right, there's a body of knowledge and you're trying to get the IFRS exactly right. You're trying to get the accounting rules exactly right so that the auditors agree and the auditors sign off. Critically important. On the forward-looking side, it's management reporting, it's not financial reporting. It's trying to figure out the puzzle. What is the right thing that we need?
mm.
Maybe we don't have the right data. You have to ask the right question to realize you don't have the right data. So let's go figure out where the data is. Let's build a new process in order to ingest it. To do that, that's where the magic of FP&A is. That's where the fun is.